Cozumel offers a plethora of diving shops that cater to all levels of expertise. Hi, welcome to Dive Explore channel. In this video, we'll delve into the top 5 Cozumel dive shops that promise an unforgettable diving experience. Let's get started. Number 1. Dive Paradise. With a legacy etched deep within the island's aquatic wonders, Dive Paradise stands as a testament to exceptional service, commitment to safety, and a dedication to sharing the marvels of the underwater realm. For over 3 decades, this establishment has been fostering a community of divers, both beginners and seasoned adventurers, who seek to explore Cozumel's enchanting underwater landscapes. What sets Dive Paradise apart is its unwavering dedication to providing an exceptional and safe diving experience that leaves indelible memories on all who venture into its depths. Dive Paradise boasts an extensive collection of meticulously maintained diving equipment that aligns with the highest industry standards. From cutting-edge regulators and buoyancy-controlled devices to state-of-the-art dive computers and wetsuits engineered for comfort and performance, Dive Paradise ensures that divers are equipped with the finest tools to navigate the aquatic realm. Dive Paradise isn't merely a shop. It's an institution that imparts knowledge and skills to transform enthusiasts into proficient divers. Recognized by leading diving organizations such as PADI and NAUI, Dive Paradise offers a comprehensive range of courses and certifications tailored to all levels of expertise. Novices can embark on the journey to become open water divers, while seasoned divers can elevate their skills through advanced courses like Rescue Diver and Dive Master. The expert instructors at Dive Paradise guide learners through theoretical knowledge, practical skills, and real-world scenarios, fostering not only competent divers but responsible stewards of the underwater environment. Cozumel's azure waters hold secrets beyond imagination, and Dive Paradise serves as the key to unlocking these treasures. With an intimate understanding of the island's underwater topography, the dive shop curates excursions to a diverse array of sites, each offering a unique glimpse into the marine world. From the vibrant reefs of Palancar to the dramatic walls of Santa Rosa, divers are treated to a visual feast of coral formations, schools of tropical fish, graceful rays, and perhaps even the majestic presence of sea turtles. Stringent safety protocols, thorough briefings, and adherence to international diving standards ensure that each dive is an adventure devoid of unnecessary risks. Dive masters and instructors are not just guides, they are guardians, ensuring that divers are well prepared, equipped, and informed before descending into the deep. Number 2. Scuba Mau. When you step into Scuba Mau, you're not just entering a dive shop, you're embarking on a journey of discovery and wonder. With a philosophy centered around intimate experiences, Scuba Mau takes pride in keeping group sizes small. Safety is a cornerstone of any memorable diving expedition, and Scuba Mau takes this commitment seriously. Their dedication to adhering to stringent safety protocols and industry standards speaks volumes about their professionalism. Also, one of the standout features of Scuba Mau is their emphasis on creating tailor-made dive experiences. They understand that each diver comes with their own aspirations and skill levels. Scuba Mau crafts each dive plan to cater to your individual preferences. This personal touch transforms a routine dive into an extraordinary adventure, where you're not just observing nature but becoming a part of it. Cozumel's underwater landscape is a treasure trove waiting to be explored, and Scuba Mau is your gateway to this aquatic wonderland. With a deep understanding of the island's dive sites, from the intricate beauty of Palancar Reef to the exhilarating swim-throughs of Cedral Pass, Scuba Mau curates experiences that go beyond sightseeing. Each dive is a symphony of colors, a dance of marine life, and an encounter with nature at its most captivating. Number 3. Blue Magic Scuba. At the forefront of Cozumel's diving scene, Blue Magic Scuba stands as a testament to excellence in personalized experiences and environmental stewardship. With a mission to foster intimate connections between divers and the ocean, this dive shop's emphasis on small group diving ensures that each underwater journey is a bespoke adventure. The charm of small group diving lies in its ability to create a sense of camaraderie among divers and guides, enhancing the overall experience and ensuring individualized attention. However, Blue Magic Scuba's commitment extends beyond the realms of interpersonal connections. The shop is a beacon of eco-consciousness, advocating for responsible diving practices that safeguard the delicate marine ecosystems. Through education and awareness, divers are encouraged to minimize their impact by avoiding accidental contact with reefs and adopting reef-safe sunscreen. This approach transforms divers into active participants in the preservation of Cozumel's unique marine resources, fostering a sense of responsibility towards the underwater world they explore. In the realm of diving, equipment plays a pivotal role in safety and comfort. Blue Magic Scuba's dedication to maintaining top-quality gear is evident in its regular inspections and meticulous maintenance routines. This commitment ensures that divers can embark on their underwater journeys with the confidence that comes from knowing their equipment is reliable and well-maintained. Number 4. Aldora Divers. Stepping onto the diving scene with a blend of professionalism and camaraderie, Aldora Divers is a beacon of excellence in training and safety practices. With a team of experienced instructors, this dive shop is committed to providing comprehensive training that equips divers of all levels with the skills and confidence to navigate the underwater realm. From novice divers embarking on their open water journey to experienced explorers seeking advanced certifications, Aldora Divers offers tailored courses that prioritize safety and deep understanding. Safety is a non-negotiable priority for Aldora Divers. Rigorous pre-dive safety checks and the utilization of cutting-edge safety equipment underscore their commitment to creating an environment where each dive is not only exhilarating but also secure. By adhering to stringent safety protocols, Aldora Divers cultivates an atmosphere where divers can fully immerse themselves in the underwater beauty without worry, allowing them to focus on exploration, learning, and the sheer wonder of the underwater world. Number 5. Deep Exposure. Deep Exposure isn't just a dive shop. It's an embodiment of passion, expertise, and a connection to the marine world that's unparalleled. The heart of Deep Exposure beats with the collective spirit of its dedicated team, a group of professionals who are not only well-versed in the art of diving, but who also harbor an unwavering love for their underwater realm. Their commitment is evident in the way they guide divers through the mysteries of the sea, sharing insights into marine life and ecosystems that only true enthusiasts can impart. What truly distinguishes Deep Exposure is its commitment to delivering an experience tailored to every diver's desires and skill levels. Whether you're a novice venturing into the depths for the first time or a seasoned diver seeking new challenges, Deep Exposure offers an array of diving packages and courses to cater to all. This inclusivity means that everyone can partake in the adventure, making the world beneath the waves accessible to enthusiasts from all walks of life. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dive Explore channel. I'll see you in the next video.